Hey everybody, it's Professor Malott here. In this video, I want to show you some quick and easy tips of how you can get your citations very easily when you are inside your school's library databases. Here I'm in the University of Cincinnati's library database. You see over here it's called Explora, but it's tied in with EBSCOhost. Most universities and colleges have some form of EBSCOhost. Here I'm actually in the Points of View Reference Center, and I've just chosen a random topic. Here we have exploring cell phone bans. I'm going to click on one of the articles, and that will open up the article for me, and you will be able to see where you can actually grab the citation. If you look up towards the top of the article title, you will see this little quotation mark thing. That is the cite button. If you open that, it will open up a new menu, and hopefully you can see this on your screens, and there will be a drop-down menu. In most English classes, we use MLA 9. That is the most recent edition of MLA. So you click on that and you will get a properly formatted, almost all the time it will be properly formatted MLA citation. So you won't actually have to figure out how to put all of the various elements in order. Easily just copy to clipboard, and then you can paste it into your document, into your works cited page. If you are in a class where you have to use APA or some other citation method, you would then just choose the appropriate citation method. And again, copy it to your clipboard and then paste it into your document for your references or bibliography. So that is how it looks in Points of View Reference Center. The other database that I use at UC is Academic Search Complete. Again, this is tied to EBSCOhost. We're going to go with the same topic, cell phone bans, search for some articles, and I'm just going to click on the first article. You'll see up here we don't have anything selected. You could select and possibly cite that way, or you could just click on the title of the article and again look for those little quotation marks with the cite button, and you have the same drop-down menu that will prompt you to copy the appropriate citation for your course. So again, in students in my classes, we use MLA 9th edition. So you would, of course, use that drop-down menu and select MLA. You'll have to scroll down. APA looks slightly different. You can see here MLA is a little bit longer. Let's take a look at APA just so you see the differences. There's usually a difference in the author's name, and then the publication date is typically in parentheses right after the author names, whereas MLA saves the publication date to be put later along with all of the other publication information, but before the URL. It's also very important when you're using digital sources to make sure that you include the URL to your source. That is a helpful tool for people who are reading your research. They can then access the document digitally. Usually it won't be behind a paywall, or if you're using it through the university system or your college system, it will be easily accessed through your library. So I hope that helps you a bit with the citation for using the library databases. There is a separate video that goes into how you can use tools like Citation Machine and EasyBib. Those are citation generators. And again, those are really helpful tools. And more often than not, the citations are done and formatted correctly. Again, that video will show you how you can navigate between MLA, APA, and any other citation method you may use. So I hope you found this helpful, and good luck with your research.